Hey everybody, it's Spicy Kai. Since I'm locked out of the house, I decided to make you guys a video. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button for me. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. And be sure to click that bell so you get notified every time I drop a new gardening video. Now let's get to the content. So, since I'm only cooking for two tonight, I figure I'm gonna make a small pot of mustard greens. Look, a bird just crapped on this one. That's alright, she gonna get washed off really well. Like I told y'all in the other video, take a little bit from every plant. Cut and come again. Look at this thing. Look at that. Look at that. Bigger than my hand. This thing right here, this one, she is a beast. I'm gonna cut her all the way back down to the small ones, just to show you something next week. We're gonna check her out again. Today's Friday. We're gonna check this out again next Friday. I'm gonna show you how fast she grows back. I'm gonna take that one too, just so I can show you how fast they grow back. So we'll leave these two little ones right here, and this new growth coming right there. Hold on, I need my seat. Alrighty, much better. Yep, that's three. We'll leave those three little ones there. See? 1, 2, 3. That's enough from that one. Let's take this one off from here. See, even when they're little, you want to pick them. Especially if you're trying to make a pot of greens. Why not? Because the more I pick from this little plant, the faster they come back. Because this thing right here used to be so tiny. Look at that beautiful, that purple leaf is. I'm just gonna take one from here. Okay, let this one go, sorry. And why am I picking them like this? Because all of the scissors and clippers are in the garage, which is right on the other side of that fence. However, we don't have an opening in that fence. So you have to go through this sliding glass door, walk down this long hallway to get to the garage, through my bedroom and out the door. I don't feel like doing all that. By the time I do all that and go in there and get sidetracked doing something else, it'll be dark out here. And it's too dark in our yard to harvest anything unless you memorized where it was. And as renters, we will not be investing in anything like that. Sorry, baby. Because when we move, I'm taking this dirt with me. Don't get it twisted. My dirt. He won't be getting my dirt. Not the dirt I just put 10 months worth of love into. All right. Oh, I missed this one over here. Oh, no, I didn't. But I do want to take this one. Look at that beautiful purple color. Look at that. Red mustards, baby. Look at that bird poop. Because they love hanging on to these branches of this dead sunflower. That's the only reason I leave it here. Because the birds still like hanging on to it. But those will be coming up this weekend. For sure, baby. For sure. Now I'm thinking that this is not enough. Even though it's just me and him. So I'm going to get some of these regular mustards too. And I'm going to do the same thing with these. I'm going to pulverize these just so I can show you guys how fast they grow back. Yes, I'm doing this really roughly, but oh well. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. It was too hard doing that with one hand. So this is what I left behind. Now let's go. Get some from here. My neighbors are so noisy. They having a ball. Wish I was over there. It's not even on my street. It's like 3 blocks over, but we live in a cul-de-sac and share fences with like so many people. You gotta go. Is that a yellow leaf? Oh yeah, baby, you got to go. I thought you was just laying on the ground. Alright, that's enough from there. And this will be my first time harvesting from these. Randomly planted. Be right back. This is what I left behind. Look at that harvest. Purpose on the top. Thanks for watching. Spicy out. So I wanted to come back. This is 2 weeks later and let you know how big the greens have gotten in just 2 weeks. Look at that. Look at that. Look how huge that is. You on my video? Huh? You on my video? Anyway, look how huge they are. Lord have mercy. You need a red light or something. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button for me. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new gardening video. Enjoy your garden. Spicy out.